Hey guys, welcome back to another bag tour. So today I'm going to be showing you the Vintage Coach Classic Pouch Bag, and the style number for this one is 9170, and this one was actually made in the original New York City factory, which it says in the creed, so that's how I know. And it's this beautiful, as you can see, red color. So I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So here's the front. It's just a flat bag, and then here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. It doesn't have a pocket back here. This is just a straight across seam, and then here's what the bottom looks like, and the other side, and it is a shoulder bag with an adjustable strap, and it's got a one-sided hang tag. So the hang tag has this suede-like texture here on the back of it, and this one, this specific bag looks like it was barely used, which is pretty rare to find for a bag of this age. And here's what the inside looks like. It's got a slip pocket right here, and here's the inside. So the interior is fairly roomy, and it has, as you can see, a zip pocket here. And then here's the creed. As you can see, it's got an individual serial number on the bottom of the creed, and then as you can see, it says made in New York City, USA. So that's how I know that it's from the original New York City factory. But anyway, that's a quick overview of the bag, and of course, if you're interested in it, it is available right now in our Etsy shop, so I'll go ahead and link that below. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.